Welcome to part 2 of this little series, and what I'm going to show you is how when you install this in the back, it is quite flimsy. So this is obviously a flaw in the design. I don't know if the fact that some of these are pushed in more than this one makes any difference or not. I don't think it probably does, but what matters is that this goes in, but it is kind of on flims, and I'm not a big fan of flims, so I'm going to plug this in, and I'll show you something very interesting. Once you plug it in, and you press the button back here, it turns on. Now, this is exactly what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to tell you that it runs, so the screen technically is running, but it obviously does not see the tool. And so it displays this message right here.
Likey